How to speed up Mozilla Firefox browser 25. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, let's see how you can speed up your Mozilla Firefox browser. So first of all, let's go to the settings option here and let's look for if the browser is up to date. So you just have to click on the general tab and scroll down and see if the Firefox is up to date. So it says Firefox is up to date, so you have to check for another option on the general settings. Scroll down and check for the performance section. As you can see, use recommended performance settings. You just have to make sure that it is checked. If it was unchecked, just check it, and after that you can also go to the privacy and security options from here, and you can also click on clear data or the cookies, so it can also help to speed up Mozilla Firefox browser for the previous cached files. So that's the all method I have already shown you. So see you on the next video, guys.